Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Caitlin, and this is where I teach you everything I know about sewing, and we learn more together along the way. So remember, earlier this year, actually it might have been the end of last year, I said I wasn't gonna buy any fabric until I was sewing through my stash. With working through your stash and trying to get down to a manageable amount, that means no fabric buying. I did buy in 2021 a few things, not a lot to be honest, and I plan for 2022 to again only buy secondhand, and that's only if absolutely necessary, unless it was for something that I needed and didn't have fabric for. Now, there will be times where I might need something. Maybe I think my son needs a raincoat, so I might have to purchase some new material for him. So I'm using that loophole to justify, I'm using that loophole to justify this massive fabric order. It's actually 3 fabric orders. So what happened was I was in need of new bras. I still am in need of new bras. So I was on LaBelle Sewing. Turns out they are shutting down their shop. They may have already shut down their shop, and everything was like clearing out. So I placed an order, 3 pages here. My total was $130.22, which actually is pretty good for the amount of stuff I bought. So placed that order, but they didn't have things like wires or channeling or any of the hardware. So then I placed an order with Bra Maker Supply. This is 2 double-sided pages and then half of one page. And this order was, oh, it doesn't say my total on here, but it was a lot. And then I also needed swimsuits, and I actually ordered this stuff back in July. And I needed a swimsuit. I didn't really have a swimsuit. I kind of limped along all summer. I didn't really have a great option. So I ordered some fabrics, and with LaBelle Sewing, they didn't really have anything I loved. So then I actually went on to Simplify, I believe I bought this stuff, and I got some swim fabric. So that's kind of the story behind all this. So it was stuff I needed. Did I need this much? No. Will I use it eventually? Let me show you what we got. So we're gonna start with LaBelle, since that was how this whole thing started out. I ordered this back in July, and the reason it's taken this long for me to do this video is because it's taken that long for this order to come in. She was shutting down, she was getting through orders, she had an injury, it just took that long. Very disappointing. I would probably not have ordered had I known that, but I did, I waited, it's all good. So through that, there are several things that were sold out by the time that she got to my order. Not sure how that happened, but that's just how it was. So the first thing I ordered was called Floral Peach Stretch Galloon Lace, and that was sold out, unfortunately. So what she did was she then increased the amount of other things I bought. Again, had I known that, probably would have said, please refund me instead, because I don't need the excess, but that's what she did. I'm not gonna fuss about it, it's just the way it is. So the first thing to show you is this Dusty Rose Galloon Lace. So this she gave me extra of, I think another meter. And this is 8-inch lace. And it has this white border and then the Dusty Rose in the middle. So I actually only have one bra pattern, and that is the Ruby bra pattern. I have an entire series about bra making, beginner bra making, because I am very much a beginner. So all of these fabrics will be made into probably self-drafted underwear and the Ruby bra, just different variations and hacks and that sort of thing. So I'll probably be sharing quite a bit of that, and if that interests you, please subscribe. Next up is this light lavender stretch lace. This one is so pretty. This might be my favorite of the laces that I bought, the bra laces. It's so pretty. I really love the large flower on there, and I think that'll work really well into underwear, because this is also 8 inches wide, so it's a good size to work with. And I got 4 meters of that. This one was $1.88 a meter, and the other one was $2 a meter. Next up is this hot pink lace with the, I guess it's like a pinky beige in the center. This one is 7.5 inches, and I guess it's kind of goldish, and the lace on the edge is floral. $1.35 a meter. I ordered 1 meter and she sent me 3 to make up for the difference of the things that weren't in stock. Very excited about this one. Okay, I don't know which is my favorite. They're all so beautiful. This is a 7.5 inch lace as well, and it's called Phoenix Floral Stretch Lace. So pretty. Really love this one. It's got a bit of metallic on the edges. It's just a subtle difference in the border. Love it. That was $1.20 a meter. I ordered 3, she sent me 4. Then I got this Sugar Plum Floral. I kind of wish she would have sent me more of this one. Maybe there wasn't enough. Maybe that's why I only ordered 1 meter, but it's so beautiful. Sugar Plum Floral, and this one has like the flower stems, like they look like actual flowers. So cute. It was $1.13 a meter. Okay, and then I ordered like just a neon pink. That was sold out. And the swim, the Trico swim, and that was $7.20 a meter, and it was sold out, and it was a blue, and it was supposed to coordinate with the other pieces I bought. So that's unfortunate. And then I ordered just some power net so I can use for all the bras. So this will be for back bands and underwear and things like that. Could even use it like in a swimsuit as extra support as well. Lots of things I can use that for. I got 3 meters of this and it was $10.20 per half meter. So I have lots of this. Enough for all underwear I need to make in the near future. So I ordered 1 meter of this glitter floral lace, and I think I actually ordered this for my brother's wedding, and of course it didn't come in time, but it is very beautiful and I will probably still find some use for it. It is a bit stretchy and I have a meter of it, so I could even use this for a top or something, maybe a bit white and glittery for me, but I'm sure I can find something to do with it. If not, it would just be a very beautiful white bra. It has scalloped edges on the selvage, so plan to use that if I can. And then some narrow laces. So this is 3 inches. It was 88 cents a meter, and I got 2 meters of it. They're all my colors, but they're muted, so it's really pretty. Really like that one. Then there is this magenta, which is beautiful, and I really like this. I'm excited to work with that. And that was 33 cents a meter. I got 2 meters. Then I ordered this darker, it says slate and navy, so I guess you could call it slate, and then there's tiny, like if you look real close, it can kind of look navy in the light, but I would not have called it navy. Anyway, this is 2¼ inches wide, and I got 2 meters of this. It was 75 cents a meter, so that's gonna be a fun one. And finally, this. I love this narrow one. This is probably my favorite narrow one. It's bright. You know, it's similar to this one, but it's brighter. So it's got hot pink and navy and burgundy and cream and like a purpley. So that one's really cute. So that was from LaBelle. And then for all the like accessories you need for bra making, I got from Bra Maker Supply. So I got a bunch of Duoplex. I got a meter, I believe it is. And I got it in peach, so kind of, I think this was probably like the closest one to my skin tone, and went with the things that I purchased. So this is a firm fabric, so this is good for lining the stretchy bra cups or even making bra cups out of. If you watch my bra making series, you'll know that I did do a bra in Duoplex and one in lace. Okay, hook and eye closures. So I got 2 peach, 2 fuchsia, 1 red, 1 black cherry, 1 ivory, and 1 pink. And these were to coordinate with the laces I got. So there will be some in here that won't match based on, you know, the ones I didn't get, unless it works out in the same color family. I haven't figured that out yet. So I got 2, 4, 6, 8 hook and eyes, so I can make 8 bras. And then I got underwires, and I get the 44 regular. Hopefully they still work for me. The ones I made are still comfortable, so that should be good. 44 regular. Then I got some plush elastics, so these are like for the rib cage and that kind of stuff. So I got pink, burgundy, a lighter pink, a red, and an ivory. And then I got the smaller size, the 3/8 inch. And I got pink, ivory red, light pink burgundy. And here's the strap elastics I got. So beige, burgundy red, and an ivory. And this strap elastic is 3 meters of pink. And metal rings and sliders, I got 3/4 inch, peach fuchsia black, and gold and rose gold. And then I got swim elastic, and I really like this rubber stuff because it wears really well, like it doesn't get eaten with chlorine and stuff. It is, I don't want to say difficult to work with, but once you puncture it, it kind of can rip. So like if you make any mistakes, you kind of got to start a new piece. But I got 5 meters of that. And then I got the underwire channeling. So I have ivory red, burgundy, beigey kind of color, and then this pink. And I actually got an extra meter of this pink because it was the end of the roll. So that's always fun and exciting when that happens to you. And finally, bows, the cute little embellishments that are totally unnecessary, but also just totally adorable. Peach pink, fuchsia, red, and black cherry. So that was all the bra making supplies. And of course, I still am in need of swimsuits. We're actually planning a little hotel trip in February with my daughter's pen pal friends, which is really fun. And of course I'm going to need a bathing suit for that. I have bathing suits, they're not great. So I want to make myself a new bathing suit. So I have this really pretty tropical print with these leaves on it. Oh, apparently it's directional. Better keep that in mind. I also got this to coordinate with it. I don't know what color you would call this. It's not really dusty rose or mauve. It's, I don't know. I can't explain this color. It's like not even terracotta. It's kind of somewhere in between, and it's got an interesting feel to it. I think these are both recycled fabrics actually. So then I also had the blue. With the 3 fabrics, I was gonna make like mix and match sets. I think I have half a meter of this, and I think I have a full meter, half a meter of this. So we'll see what I can get. I really like the Friday Pattern Co. pattern that I've made before, and I can't remember the name of. So I might make that again. I like my self-drafted high-waisted bottoms block to start with. So we'll probably start with that and then go from there, make a few adjustments. My body is changing, and I want to make sure that I make these closer to when I'm actually going to wear them. But yeah, so I'm excited to do some swim sewing again and have a nice swimsuit that I feel great in. I don't know, swimsuits are just, I tried to go shopping for a swimsuit and I've avoided swimsuit shopping for several years now. So going back in there, I was like, oh, it's not gonna be that bad. And this is just at Winners. So it wasn't like it was a bra shop or anything. And yeah, it was horrible experience, very discouraging. And now I know again that I can make my own, and I'm going to make my own, and it's going to be well worth it. So that being said, that is everything I have purchased this year, I think, for fabric. Yeah, I think that's the only fabric order that I've placed this year, and I am excited to finally get to them and show you guys what I'm going to create and all of that good stuff. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you hit the like and subscribe buttons so you can see my next videos, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.